Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials: OS level, storage, and network. Connect to Wi-Fi and plug in power. Updates can be large and drain battery. Once done, open Google Play and tap your profile icon, then pick Manage Apps and Device. Here you see pending updates. You want to review sizes and permissions before proceeding. Make sure to close active apps that may block installation. This prevents partial installs and speeds the process while keeping your data safe. You now choose whether to tap Update All or Update Apps individually. Pick Individuals if you need control over permissions. For each app, review permission changes and only accept those that match the app's function. Once you start, monitor the progress bars. If an app stalls, pause background downloads and retry. Make sure to let Play finish each install before launching the app. If an update requires a restart, accept and reboot to complete file migrations and background optimizations. You finish by opening updated apps to verify the new version and test key features. This confirms successful installs. If an app misbehaves, clear Google Play Store cache and app data, then reboot and attempt the update again. This often resolves signature or download corruption errors. If problems persist, uninstall the app, reinstall from Play, and report crashes using the developer contact in the store listing. One key tip: toggling network between Wi-Fi and mobile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.